just being the best version of yourself. I don't think you need to try to be anybody else. So I think that's always what I'm trying to remember, especially in like today's day of social media when you're looking at everyone else and thinking everyone else's lives are so perfect.
Exactly.
I think kind of just being like, you know what, I'm dope.
Exactly.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another Alternate Sounds DJ Big and Live experience. You say you wanted more? Let's get to it.
DJ Big and on the deck.
You already know. Let's go to church real quick.
Make you come chill with me in my place. Come on. When you go pick up, maybe this Friday. Me and you will be chilling in my room. We go listen to some songs that might be spicy. Maybe we could do this to the midnight. Yeah, because I want you.
Who you loving?
Because I want you. And every day I love you, see you. You know, feeling as if you don't miss me. Because I know that my music you don't listen to. Just on my wall, they call me talker. For me, I got to